I've spent the last 2 weeks looking at insurance, and in respect of both of my businesses, we've had to look at professional indemnity insurance, and that's a level of insurance that is required sometimes legislatively by regulators. So in other words, if I want to open my business in the morning, I have to have professional indemnity insurance, and it's not a negotiable issue. So when we look at insurance, we look at our first line of defence is insurance brokers. Then there are insurance companies, and after that we have underwriters. Now, this is the critical point. I'm not a gambler, but when you think about it, bookies are what they call bookmakers. They have a market based on their assessment, and that's quite important. It's not about service, it's about business. The premium paid on the basis of the perception by the bookie of risk. In other words, what's the form and what's the going? So some insurance companies have decided to withdraw from the Irish market because they perceive the risk as being something in excess of the potential reward. Some again have put up premiums to a level where they're not sustainable by the people who ask to be insured, and they've put terms into the policies that may not be realistic. So surprisingly enough, the big exclusion is the pandemic. That makes insurance not so much a gamble, but a near certainty. And if there's no cover for real risk, why do we need this insurance? If our government and legislature are considering this issue, they probably should abolish insurance in the morning. Would claims disappear? Claims are generally made by claimants on the basis of the potential capacity of the person who they're claiming from to pay that claim and to meet it. There's a very good legal principle, and it says that you can't sue a man of straw. The Latin for it is nemo dat quod non habet. You can't give what you don't have. So the question today is whether or not we need insurance at all. These views are mine, and they're not the views of Daly's Donegal, but I hope they give you some food for thought.